Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, in the given figure ABC is triangle right angle at B. D and E are points on BC trisect it. Okay. So prove that 8AE square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. It is given. It is required to prove that 8AE square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Okay. So given that in the given figure ABC is right angle triangle at B. Okay. So given that triangle ABC is right angled at B. Right angled at B. Okay. So that means angle B equal to here 90 degrees. Okay. And also given that D and E are points on BC trisect it. Okay. So D and E are points of trisection. Okay. Also given that D and E are points of trisection. Okay. So points of trisection, that means D and E divide BC into 3 equal half. That means BD equal to DE equal to EC. Okay. So it implies BD equal to DE equal to EC. Okay. Let us suppose to take it as X. Okay. BD value equal to DE value equal to EC value equal to X. Suppose to take. Okay. So it is required to prove that 8AE square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. So first consider the right side part. Okay. So 3AC square, that means we have to get AC square. Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay, so consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, so if we apply Pythagoras theorem, then AC square equal to we get AB square plus BC square. Okay, so if I apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base sum of squares of other two sides, that means BC square plus AB square. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So now in the RHS we have 3AC square, that means multiply both sides with 3, that means it implies 3AC square equal to 3AB square plus BC square. Okay, so here if BD equal to DE equal to EC equal to, here we have taken as X, that means BE equal to we get double of X plus X. So here X. So BE value we get 2X. Similarly, BC value we get X plus X, that means 3X. So here in place of BC substitute 3X. Okay. So 3AC square equal to 3AB square plus 3X whole square. So that means 3AC square equal to 3AB square plus 3 square is 9X square. Consider it as first equation. Similarly, again in the RHS it is 5AD square. So we have to get AD square. So consider AD square. To get AD square, consider triangle ABD. Okay, in triangle ABD, AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. So by Pythagoras theorem we got. Okay, so if you apply Pythagoras theorem to this, AD square equal to AB square plus BD square we got. So AD square equal to, okay, so 5A, sorry, so here in the RHS it is 5AD square, so multiply both sides with 5, that means 5AD square equal to 5AB square plus 5BD square. Okay, it implies 5AD square equal to 5AB square plus 5 into BD square, that means BD value here is X, that means 5X square. So here also 3AC square, that means 3AB square plus BC. So if we multiply with 3, here also 3 into BC square, that means 3 into 3X square. So 3 square is 9, 9 3 is 27X square. Okay, so it is 27X square. Okay, so this is the second equation, it is the first equation. Now add both 1 and 2. So first plus second, it implies, so first equation is 3AC square plus 5AD square. Okay, 3AC square plus 5AD square. Okay, we have got the RHS part. Now we should get the LHS part. Okay, so 3AC square plus 5AD square equal to 3AB square plus 27AX square plus 5AB square plus 5X square. Okay, so 3AB square plus 27X square plus 5AB square plus 5x square. Okay, so here 3ab square plus 5ab square, that means 8ab square plus 27x square plus 5x square is 32x square. Okay, so 8ab square plus 32, it can be written as 8 into 4. Okay, 8 into 4x square. Okay, we write 8ab square plus 8 into, again this 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. Okay, so 2x, in place of 2x we can take as be. Okay, so 8ab square plus 8be square. Okay, so 8ab square plus 8be square, that means if we take 8 as common, so 8 into ab square plus b square we get. Okay, so it implies 3ac square plus 5ad square equal to, okay, 8 is taken as common, that is ab square plus b square. Okay, here we can taken as 8 as common. Okay, so ab square plus b square, that means from the figure ab square plus b square we can write it as a square. Okay, so equal to 8 into a square. Okay, so since from the figure in triangle ABE, okay, in triangle ABE, a square equal to ab square plus b square. Okay, a square equal to ab square plus b square we got by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in place of ab square plus b square we have written a square. So therefore 3ac square plus 5ad square equal to 8a square. So hence proof, this is the required proof. Okay, this is the required proof. We shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at B. Okay, consider a triangle ABC. Okay, so right angled at B it is mentioned. So it is right angled at B. So these 2 points are A and C. So ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at B. That means AB equal to BC. Okay, so given, write the given condition. So triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, right angle at isosceles right angle at B. Okay, so that means AB equal to BC equal to, let us suppose to take it as A units. Okay, so and ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. Okay, so here ACD, okay, and ABE, okay, ACD and ABE, both triangles are constructed on the sides AC and AB. Okay, so find the ratio between the areas of triangle ABE and triangle ACD. Okay, so given that, again I am repeating the question. So ABC is an isosceles triangle right angle at B. Similar triangles ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. So it is given that similar triangles, okay, similar triangles ACD and ABE, that means ABE and ACD both are similar triangles. Okay, it is mentioned. Okay, so in triangle ABC, okay, since ABC is a right angle triangle, if we apply Pythagoras theorem here, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so it implies AC square equal to AB square, that means AB equal to BC equal to, we have taken A. Okay, so it can be written as A square plus, and BC also A square. Okay, so A square plus A square is 2A square. So AC square equal to 2A square. So AC equal to under root of 2A square, that means root 2A. So AC value we have 10 root 2A. Okay, so length of AC is root 2 into A, and length of AB is A. Okay, so it is required to find the ratio between the areas of triangle ABE and ACD. Okay, ratio between the areas, we have to find the ratio between the areas. Okay, so area of triangle ABE by area of triangle ACD. Okay, it is the ratio between area of triangle ABE and area of triangle ACD. Since AB is similar to ACD given in the question, okay, similar triangles ACD and ABE as mentioned in the question. Okay, since these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their area is equal to ratio of pairs of corresponding sides. Okay, it means ratio of AB by AC square. We can write it as AB by AC square. Okay, since AB corresponding side of AB is AC. Okay, corresponding in triangle ABE. So AB is the side we consider, and in triangle ACD, AC is the corresponding side to AB. Okay, so AB, nth of AB is we can taken A. Okay, so AC value it is root 2A I have obtained. Okay, whole square. So A get cancelled. So 1 by root 2 whole square. That means 1 square is 1 and root 2 whole square is 2. So 1:2 is the ratio between triangle area of triangle AB and area of triangle ACD. Okay, so this is the answer.